If you're wondering whether it's possible to make $1,000 a week with Uber Eats in 2025, the answer is yes, but it takes strategy, consistency, and hustle. This video breaks down exactly how to reach that four-figure weekly goal, even if you're just starting out. First, let's talk about hours. To make $1,000 a week, you need to be intentional with when and how long you work. Most top earners hit this number by working 40 to 50 hours a week, strategically driving during peak hours, lunch 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., and dinner 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Weekends are your money makers. Friday night to Sunday night is when demand surges and bonuses, quests, and tips roll in. Location matters too. High density areas like near popular restaurants, college campuses, and busy downtowns often bring more frequent orders and high value deliveries. Use the Uber Eats heat map to position yourself in busy zones and avoid low demand regions. Next, learn to stack strategies, accept deliveries that are close together or heading in the same direction. Use features like Trip Radar and Boost Zones to maximize your rate per mile. And most importantly, keep your acceptance rate decent so you don't miss out on lucrative promotions. Speaking of which, take full advantage of quests and promotions. These bonuses can easily add 100 to 200 to your weekly total if you plan to use around them. Speaking of which, take full advantage of quests and promotions. These bonuses can easily add 100 to $200 to your weekly total if you plan around them. Uber Eats usually gives you out quests like complete 60 deliveries for an extra $120, and that can be the difference maker in hitting your $1K goal. Don't forget to multi-app, run DoorDash, Grubhub, or even Instacart alongside Uber Eats ensures that you're never waiting too long between orders. Lastly, track your expenses, gas, maintenance, and wear and tear eat into your profits. Use apps like Stride or Gridwise to log your mileage and find out which orders are really paying off. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Uber Eats tips. Comment below how close you have come to making $1,000 in a week, or if you have already done it, share your strategy. Let's make and help each other win in 2025.